Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download and use the Apple Invites app on your iPhone. The purpose of this app is to help people with Apple devices create and manage events with others. Before we get started, it's important to note that to create events on your iPhone, you'll need an active iCloud Plus subscription. However, to receive invites, you don't need one. Alright, let's dive in. First, you need to download the app. Open the App Store. Then tap Search in the bottom right corner. Search for Apple Invites. It should be the top result, looking like this. Tap the Get button to download the app to your iPhone. Once downloaded, tap Open. The first time you open it, you'll see a little overview. Once you're ready, tap Continue. Then you'll see the welcome screen and can tap Create an Event. Now to create our first event, we need to select a background photo. You can choose from the given options, select from your photo library, or use Image Playground to generate one. For this example, I'm going to choose a photo from my library. Once selected, the photo will appear as the background, blending nicely with the information. Next, give your event a title. I'm going to call this LAN Party. You can also choose a text style. I'll choose this bold format as it suits the theme. Now, give the event a time and date. I'm choosing April 1st, starting at 6 p.m. You can also set an end date if you want, but I'll skip it for this example. Next, set a location. I'm going to set it to the nearest Apple Store. Once done, scroll down. Now, add a description. Below the description, you'll see the predicted weather information, which will update as the event gets closer. Below that, there's a map view of the location so people can estimate their travel time. Below the map, we have shared album options. If you want to create a shared album, tap it and give access to your photo library if prompted. Then, name the shared album. It will autofill with the event title. Now we've successfully created a shared album for this event. People can add photos, and everyone can see them. As you can see, I've added some photos and videos. Scrolling down again, the last option is a shared music playlist. This is exclusive to Apple Music. Once you've added all your information, tap Preview in the top right. This shows you what the invite will look like to others. If you're happy, tap Next. You can use these options to share your invite. If you want to approve guests, select this option. Scrolling down a bit, you'll see a current list of invited guests. Now that we've invited our guests, exit out of the Share page. Here's a full-screen view of your event. To add this event to your own calendar, tap the calendar option in the top right and add it from there. If you want to make edits, tap the three dots in the top right and select Edit. Once you're happy with your event, exit the information card, and you'll be back on the home screen of the Invites app. Here, you'll see a list of all your currently invited events. As you can see, I only have the one I just created. To see past events, tap the drop-down menu where it says Upcoming and select Past Events. Again, you'll see a list of all past events. You can also see drafts and events you're hosting or attending using the same drop-down menu. To create another event, tap the plus button in the top right and create it just like we did before. You can also create and manage invites from any web browser, not just on Apple devices. If I open Safari and go to my iCloud account, I can scroll down to Other Apps and click on the Invites app. This shows an overview of all my current events, including the one I created earlier. I can click into that event and see all the information. Going back to the home screen, I can create a new event by clicking Create New Event and following the same steps as in the iPhone app. And that's a quick video on how to use the Invites app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Rome tips. Thanks for watching.